Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. I'm Kristi Shive, and this morning we're visiting with Dr. Heather Norman-Burgdolf. She's an assistant extension professor and extension specialist in health and nutrition for the University of Kentucky. Good morning, Heather.
Hi, Kristi.
Thanks for being with us today, Heather. And today we are going to talk about getting out of our mealtime rut. And I'm so glad that you wanted to talk about this because I know this is something that I have experienced definitely over the past year of 2 years.
For sure. And I think a lot of people have found themselves more in the kitchen like 2020, 2021 because of the pandemic or for different reasons if they're caregivers. So we can all feel burnout, even those who love to cook.
Yes. And I think when we are home and out of our routine, we know how that is we just by nature want more snacks or maybe we're bored. So Heather, what are some of the tips that you have for us today?
Yes. So I don't know about you, but I feel like I'm always being asked what's for dinner or trying to make the grocery list and figure out what's going to be on the menu for that week. And so I've essentially put together some creative ideas to kind of help people get out of a mealtime rut. And I invite you to kind of brainstorm with me. But the first one that I have is themed dinner nights. And so you might already have like pizza and movie night, but be creative in this. So maybe Sunday is the day where you kind of get everything in order for the week. Make it slow cooker Sunday. It's one less thing you have to worry about. You plug the slow cooker in and you can have dinner made for you. Throwback Thursday. So thinking about my favorite childhood meals. So maybe on Thursdays, it's kind of a throwback night to something that you had as a child or when you were younger. Another one that we go to a lot is breakfast for dinner. It's so easy. Eggs are so versatile. They're so economical. There's so many things you can do with them. You can easily put a whole grain with them and some fresh fruit, and you have a really balanced meal. So just a couple quick ones that might be family friendly.
Heather, you and I both have young children, and sometimes they don't want to try new foods. And so I think that this sounds like a fun and creative way to put something new on their plate that makes them more likely to try it.
Absolutely. I'm always for that for sure. Another one that might be fun for kids is celebrating a food holiday. So you're kind of making it more about celebrating the holiday or a culture. And so they might be more likely to explore or try something new. So if you look online, there's essentially a national food holiday almost every day of the year, whether it's National Meatloaf Day or, National Soup Day, something like that. So it could be fun to look at food holidays and fill in your monthly calendar that way. If you have the luxury of exploring a different grocery store, they might carry some different ingredients than you're used to. So it might be kind of a fun way to try something new, try a new store, see what's available. They may have different fruits and vegetables that you could use. Another is cooking through a cookbook. So I know we have tons of cookbooks that are usually pushed to the side, or you could visit your local library and borrow one there or borrow one from another friend or family member. And just take turns or, take time to cook through that cookbook over time. You might find some new ones that you could plug into your normal rotation.
Heather, I love all of those ideas. And we have so many recipes at the local extension offices. If someone wants to reach out, there might still be a few calendars left over. Food and nutrition calendars do work as a calendar and a cookbook. So that's just one idea.
And always visit Plated Up Kentucky Proud.
Yeah. Heather, thank you so much for being with us today. I think it's such an important topic because, like you said, so many of us do get in that mealtime rut. And if you are the one who is in the kitchen most of the time, these ideas could be really helpful. So if you are watching and would like any meal ideas from your local extension office, be sure to give them a call. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.